Okay, louder your voice. Hello.
Hello,
Yes, better. What's your name?
my name is Jenny.
Hi, Jenny. How old are you? Hi.
I'm 8 years old.
8 years old? Yes. Okay, good. How are you today?
I'm
Happy? Are you sure? Okay, say, I'm happy. Say it again.
I'm happy.
Yeah. Good job. That means you're not happy, so you have to smile, okay? Jenny, today let's start our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. So I want you to sit nicely and speak loudly. Okay? Let's start. Okay, here is the picture. Can you tell me the place of this picture? Where is it? Is this in the kitchen? No? Where is this?
It's
It's in the
It's in the living room.
Yes, good. Living room.
Living
Yeah, living room. Tell me this. What is this?
baby.
Baby. Where is the baby? In the
In the
crib.
cream.
Crib. 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 Nice. Yes. C-R-I-B. Crib. 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 Yes. What's the color of the crib?
It's pink.
Pink. Where is the crib? In front of?
In the TV.
In front of the TV. How many cars do you see?
There are 2 cars.
Okay, tell me the colors. What are the colors?
They are red and blue.
Blue. Okay, where are the books? I can see many books. Where are they? They are in the
They are in
on the book
the book.
bookshelf.
They are
On
on the bookshelf.
Very good. Okay. How many picture frames do you see? How many picture frames do you see? I see only how many picture?
1 picture
Okay, where is the picture frame?
is
Next to
next to the window.
next to the window. And where is the window?
Is next is between the refrigerator and
Lamp.
lamp.
Good. All right. So here, where are the boy and the girl? Where are they?
They are playing with my toys.
With the toys. So where are they? Where? They are on
They are on the sofa.
sofa. Very good. They are playing toys. Where is the table?
The table is next to the sofa.
Next to the sofa or in front of the sofa? In front, right? So, yeah, or in front of the sofa. Okay, what's this?
It's a rock.
Rug or mat. Okay, where is the rug? Where is it? The rug is
Is between the chair and
the
the
bed,
bed,
the crib.
the crib.
Okay, crib, not crib, crib.
Crib.
C-R-I-B, crib, crib. Yes, crib.
Crib
Where is the chair?
is next to the door.
Next to the door. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the next part. Can you tell me what's this?
And
Bed,
elephant.
an elephant.
Red.
Grapes. Say it again.
Red.
Grapes. Next.
Balloon.
Balloon.
Plastic.
Glasses.
Basketball.
Basketball. Next.
CD play.
Radio.
Radio.
Next.
Rubber.
Rubber. Okay, here. Can you pick 4 pictures? Can you give me 4 pictures that you like? Can you give me 4? Give me 4 pictures. 4. Give me 4. 1. Next. Faster, Jenny. 2. Next. Come on, give it to me. 3. And last one. 4. Okay, here. Jenny, put the grapes on the table. Put the grapes on the table. Jenny, put the balloon next to the television. Next to the television. Next to the TV. Next to the TV. Next, put the radio between the crib and the chair. Put the radio between the crib and the chair. Next, put the glasses next to the lamp. Okay, now where is the balloon?
The balloon is next to the TV. The grape is on the
Grapes are.
grapes are on the table.
Next.
The glasses is
Glasses are. The glasses are. Again, the glasses are.
glasses are next to the lamp. The CD
The